This activity is called Step It Out. It's for a grade 6 class and it's on the topic of division. So what I would do is I would pose a problem to the class at a higher level, a slightly higher level than what they're at, and discuss the steps that they need to take to do the algorithm but not actually do it. So the word problem I've chosen today is school hats cost $7 each. The school has 255 students and has $1,496 in the budget for hats. How many hats can the school buy? If there is any money left, is there any money left over? Will all students get a hat, and if not, how many students will miss out? So I'd stress to the students that it's not timed. We don't need to know the answer right now. We're focusing on the steps to take, and I would have this on the board, but also have the whiteboard clear to write down their answers so it's in their own words. So I'd encourage the children to use their own strategies. I'd see if they want to first figure out how much money they need to buy 255 students hats at $7, or whether they want to go the other way and divide 1,496 by 7. It's important that no matter which way they go, they understand what the remainder is. So if they do divide 1,496 by 7 and the remainder being 5 what? The remainder is $5. At certain points, I'd have a student do one or two of the steps and then have the children discuss whether we're going in the right direction, how else we could possibly do it. And then eventually getting different students to do different steps, we'd go through and eventually figure out the solution to the problem. For struggling students, I could have the steps already pre-printed and cut them out and mix them up, and then they would have to rearrange them in the order. So language for this is steps, estimate, strategies, divide, groups, share, things like that. Misconceptions could be the students might not be able to verbalize and articulate what they're thinking. So the discussion could help because another student might be able to put it into words for his friend. They might get the order mixed up. So this is what this is all about, getting the order correct and writing it down so that it's in their own words. And the students might not use the best strategy. So again, this is all about discussion and which ones could be easier, quicker, and which ones might not be of good use.